Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Brooke. Welcome to Florida Treasure Jewels, and today we are going to go through the second round of jewels from that $180 Shop Goodwill vintage lot that I was able to pick up. So here it is. There is so much color going on right here. I think these are real pearls. They feel real. Check out this bracelet. Oh my gosh, like look. And I also noticed that in the first part I had this bracelet and I never showed it. So I noticed it when I was doing my cover shot. I was like, oh, I never showed it. I never talked about the bracelet because I kind of scooted it off to the side and then just completely forgot about it. So we're going to take a look at this one because it's gorgeous as well. And yeah, I'm super excited. I see brooches, earrings. We got some more bags of earrings over here. So we're just going to dive in. Real quick, I'm going to do my little spiel. So everything that you see in the video will be for sale. If there's anything that you would like to purchase, please go ahead and check the description down below. There is a customer registration form. If you are new and have never ordered before, please go ahead and click the link and go ahead and fill that registration form out. So that way, if there's anything that you see, you can go ahead and email me at this email right here. Email me at that email with the timestamp of the item that you would like and a brief description of the item. I also do keep a sold list down in the comments, so go ahead and check it out. You can click on the timestamps to actually see the item. So the timestamps will be in blue. You can click on it and it will jump to that particular spot in the video, and you can see what item has already been claimed, just in case you are looking at the same item. So yeah, I think that covers everything. Let's jump in because I'm super excited and I just want to start picking. So I'm going to go ahead and like push everything over to the side and try not to forget anything this time. Okay, all right, let's see, what do we got here? All right, so I see lots of earrings. This one says Sarah Coventry, patent pending, little clip earring there. I see a little flower brooch. This one looks like it's in really good shape for being in this lot box. Not a lot of wear on that. Beautiful. We got lots of bling in this box, I can tell. So it's missing one little rhinestone right here. We do have this clamper style rhinestone. Bracelet does have all the AB crystals. And again, there's no maker marks on this one. It is missing a rhinestone right there. So we'll look at that one. I think I'm gonna save the bag of earrings for last. Let's go ahead and look at this earring right here. So it looks like it's got a little thing on there that needs to be taken off. Gorgeous rhinestones. I love all the clip earrings in this. Oh, look at this. This is neat. So you got abalone in here. And what is it? Oh, it's little scissors. Check that out. Okay, I don't know. I might actually keep these because I'm fascinated by it. Look how compact it is. This would be perfect for a purse or something, you know, with the abalone in there. I don't know. I like that. That's very neat. All right, we got some more rhinestones in here. So rhinestones are quickly becoming a favorite jewelry item of mine. I just love the sparkle and simplicity, I guess you could say. I don't see any maker marks on this necklace, but gorgeous, and it looks like all the rhinestones are there. They're all in good coloring. All right, let's see what we can get out. Look at this one. Look at that clasp on that. This lot, oh, look at this. This lot is stunning. Look at that. It's missing a stone. That is such a shame. I love this, that, you know, foiled opal glass. Whatchamacallit. Beautiful. And that's a Trifari piece. I hope we find the stone in the box. I really hope we find the stone, because I will definitely glue that back on. That is beautiful. Oh, now I'm even more excited to dig in the box and try to find all these pieces. Okay, so let's see. What do we have here? This feels like it's all acrylic. You do have this really pretty box clasp right here. 3 strands. Looks like you have 2 that are kind of like an amber color and 1 that is a black. That's nice, very pretty. I love my blues. Unfortunately, it is missing a rhinestone right there. Again, fingers crossed that we can find some of these rhinestones in the bottom of this box and we can put these pieces back together, because this is stunning. Beautiful brooch, love that. And now we got a green one. Let's see. I don't see any makers on these, but here's a really pretty green. There's the back. I don't think these are glass. They feel like acrylic. The blue one feels like glass. It's a little bit heavier too. This one is lighter. Love those. Okay, what do we got here? So for a second, I thought they were like vintage Chanel earrings, just because of those, you know, double C's right there. But the back of these say Norma Jean on them. So you get some Norma Jean earrings, clip earrings here. We have this bracelet right here, very lightweight. Kind of has that like a nail head or nail head detail right there. This one's on the smaller side. It's probably like 6.5 or so. Let's see. Here is a beautiful blue rhinestone necklace. Got these really pretty light blue rhinestones. I think this end right here, it might be missing a couple of links. It does look like it's a little off lengthwise. but definitely it would be a nice piece to repurpose or fix if it can be fixed. All right, we got an Avon necklace here, so let's check out this one. Very pretty floral designs. It is marked Avon right there on the back. And you do have these rhinestones, kind of like that very antiqued silver tone look to it. But it is a very pretty necklace. Probably needs a good cleaning. But gorgeous floral print on that one. Here is a two-stranded glass pearl necklace. Does have a pretty box clasp on it, however, it is missing some rhinestones. So that's unfortunate. Here is I think this is a bracelet. I think it's missing a jump ring. It's either a bracelet or an anklet, or it was a short necklace. And some of the links broke off of it. I don't see any markings on this one at all. So up next we have this little acrylic pin right here. There is the closure on that. It is gold tone. You do have this really pretty yellow, kind of like faux mother of pearl swirl on it. All right, let's get we get a bolo. So let's check out the bolo. It says I am Mac David 91. So I'll have to look that up. I'm not familiar with if that is a jewelry designer or maker, but it does look like it's in pretty good shape. Not sure the material that is made out of. It does feel like acrylic, so pretty little wolf right there. We got a black glass tassel necklace. So you have the black chain tassel and black glass. Again with the missing pearls, that's a shame. This one is Coro again, it says Coro on the bottom. So hopefully we'll be able to find those and we can put this back together again. So it's a pretty necklace. Looks like we got a large clip-on earring here. Little acrylic flowers. Hopefully we find the match. All right, this is staring at me. Is this not beautiful? I hope all of the rhinestones, yes, all of the rhinestones are there. Check that out. You have those red rhinestones with that AB finish. I absolutely love the red AB finish. I think it's so elegant and just really pretty. That's a beautiful bracelet right there. Absolutely beautiful. Here we have a bird pin. Looks like he's missing the rhinestone out of his eye. No markings on that one. All right, so we got this cute little flower chain necklace here. And on the spring ring clasp, it does say made in Germany. So here it is. Yeah, all these metal flowers, faux pearls. Some of the pearls, the glue has started to come through and is yellowing. All right, this caught my eye. No markings, but you know me and purple. I love purple. Check out those rhinestones. You got like a light lilac right there. A little bit of a darker purple there. Gorgeous. I love all the colors. I'll put them all out after we go through so you can see all the colors of this handful here. So this is a rhinestone bracelet. It was probably gold tone at one time, but it's pretty worn. Definitely a well-loved bracelet at one point. And here is a faux pearl necklace. Oh, it's two. Okay. So here is the little clasp. It goes into that pearl right there, which is very nice. I like that little detail. No maker marks on it, but beautiful cream color. They're knotted in between, and they look like they're in good shape. I don't see any coating issues or anything with those. These are just faux pearls. I think the little round ones are glass, but the cylinder ones are acrylic. That'll go into craft. Not sure what this is because it's on a shoestring, but I got a little kitty cat slide here. I don't see any markings on it at all. The bottom does have a little hole right there in the bottom. Got a little knot earring here. Oh, this is pretty. So no maker marks on this one. Look at those blues. Silver tone. I think that's glass. You do have that cat's eye or moon glow look to it. Very pretty. Here is a stretch bracelet with acrylic mint green little gems. Okay, I think these are real freshwater pearls. They feel like it, they sound like it. They are gritty when you rub them together. They're all different shapes and sizes, but check out the colors. So they are all knotted in between except for these two right here. But there's like every color of the rainbow is in here. This is really pretty. And that's like a great collection of pearls right here because of all the different colors. It's an over-the-head necklace. There is no clasp. And it's got some nice weight to it, so beautiful. Of course, the purple is going to be my favorite color. Here is a little locket pin. No markings, but it does look like it's in good condition. Here is an earring. We have some more earrings here. Here's another glass one. We found one in the first round, but not this one. It was different. Nice little funky earring there. All right, so this is a long necklace. You have two strands, blue and white. I don't see any markings on the clasp. These are all just acrylic plastic pieces that are pressed on to the cord. We do have a earring here. It says West Germany on the little clip right there. So hopefully if we find the other one to that. Ooh, look at this, that's pretty. So I have come across plenty of these pins since doing these unboxings, but I have never seen either glass or stone, natural stone on there. So I think this one's super unique and interesting. We got a piece to something that broke off. We got a magnifying glass. I love the magnifying glass. And we found quite a few of them. I have been lucky enough to find some, so that's good. So no markings on it, but it does magnify. It's kind of like an antiqued bronze, maybe. Love that. I don't know if this is like a belt or not a belt, because obviously it would be too small to be a belt, but like a chain or a purse chain. I think this is more modern too. I don't think necessarily a vintage piece. I could be wrong. Please let me know in the comments if that is incorrect. And another earring here. Don't see any makers on it. This is one of those adjustable bracelets. So you do have some red glass facet cut. There is a little religious symbol on there as well. A little black acrylic necklace. We got another Avon. It kind of matches that other one. So here it is with the pendant right there. And then you have a little heart rhinestone. You got a cross over here. It's kind of that same coloring, like antiqued bronze or something. Here is just a strand of molded green acrylic beads. All right, so here's the bracelet that I forgot to show in the first part. There we go. So look at this. Isn't this very pretty? It does have some wear on the panels, but look at all the little flowers. It does say made in Taiwan on the back. So I think, again, these pieces are just so pretty. I know I keep saying, oh, this one's gorgeous, this one's pretty, but honestly, they all are. Like, it's hard to pick one. Okay, so we have this bracelet right here. These are all glass. Nice little handmade piece right here. And this is a Sarah Coventry clip earring. So we got a big Sarah Coventry clip earring here. And I see another earring here. This one says Sarah as well. So hopefully we find the matches to those. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? Oh, look at these. That feels like glass. So to me, it kind of just looks like stained glass. Definitely glass. And you can add little dangles to them if you wanted to. Let's see, we got a ring in here. It's just a kind of like a matte gold band. It's not magnetic. Not magnetic at all. So I will definitely test this one and see. Would be nice if it was gold. And we have another pair of clip-on earrings. Again, this feels like glass. Or it might be some sort of stone, onyx, or obsidian. These kind of have that, I don't want to push on it because I'm afraid that it'll squish, but to me, I kind of relate to it as like marshmallows because that's what it looks like. But yeah, these are those little faux pearl puffy earrings. And then we have one little earring by itself here. All right, here's the bag. So go ahead and we will dump out this bag. All right, let's see. So I see a brooch. We have a little kitty cat brooch here. You get that silver tone with the copper colored bow, very pretty. You have a pin, little cloisonne owl pin. Here is another pin, a little bow on it. my eyes immediately went to this. I thought for a second that maybe it was goldstone, but I don't think it is because of the way, I don't know, I don't think that's goldstone. To me, it kind of just looks like glitter and resin. Okay. That's an interesting one. Do we have the match? Yes. It's nice that we have the matches to these, so there's no maker on these, but very pretty. Another copper colored one here. Got a Hallmark cards little pin for fall. Here is some metal patina clip earrings. We have the other heart. Yep. These are pretty. These are like ceramic. This kind of reminds me of like baseballs or tennis balls or something. Got some thermoset earrings here. I don't see any makers on those. Looks like they're pretty worn. Again, no maker on these faux pearl. And here are some enamel swirl. These are marked Japan, and I do believe them to be glass. Those are nice, okay. I like this little pin right here. I like the coloring on that flower. We've got a little lapel pin here. Looks like a gold digger. Another pair of fabric flower earrings clip-on. We have some jersey earrings here. It says Peter David 2002. I do not know anything about baseball, so if this is baseball, to me it kind of does look like a baseball uniform. I have no idea, honestly. All right, we got hot pink acrylic here. And then these are really neat. I wonder if that's supposed to be, is it supposed to be a bird? Does it kind of look like a bird? And we have RSVP lapel pin and then a little owl. And that says Japan on the back. He's cute. He's got some metallic little shimmer in there. All right. Just grab a couple more things out of the box, and then we should be able to finish the rest in the next video. I think, maybe. We will try. So we have one of those stretch metal bracelets here. And this is a unicorn pin, stick pin. Here is a rhinestone earring. You have a little clip-on earring here with a flower and a little piece of red glass in the center. You have another clip-on earring. I have no idea what that is. It feels like a wood piece. Another clip-on earring. This one is a shell. You got this cute little brooch right here. And last, we have a pendant. So here it is. It's a foiled back glass rhinestone. It does need a chain. But yeah, so that's round 2. My favorite piece is right here. I love this bracelet. It's stunning and fabulous. So go ahead and drop a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite piece was. Go ahead and say hi, hit the thumbs up. Let me know that you love these videos. I would appreciate it if everybody could thumbs up the video and let me know that you're watching. Leave me a comment. I love talking to you all, and I do try to answer everyone down in the comment section. And yeah, so I hope everybody is having a wonderful Tuesday. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and hanging out. And I will see you live on Wednesday, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We got more jewelry. I found some more brooches. Just wait until you see the sneak peek video that I put up. So I will see everybody later. Bye.